Hello, my name is Dee Fryer of the Danger Dogs, and I'd like to present a short video that demonstrates that I believe the problem of no tank engine noise, as I reported, seems actually to be caused by two of my install mods. Here we can see my normal configuration with the A4E, Bronco and the T45 Goshawk enabled. I will now run a simple tank mission I created to demonstrate the issue. So here we are in the mission. I'm now just about to occupy the Abrahams and start the mission. And as you can hear, there is no tank engine. In fact, all we can hear is the birds singing. Engage into gear and move off. And we just hear the birds singing and no tank engine. I am now going to disable the three mods and restart my game and run the same mission. Okay, here we are back in the same mission, so I'm now going to occupy the same tank. And here we can hear now the engine noise as I engage and drive off. Same from the driver's position. And also the gunner. Having established that, I then repeated the test by first adding the A4E on its own and had no sounds. I took the A4E out, added the Bronco on its own and had no sounds. I added the Goshawk on its own and did have the engine sounds. The tank, the signs were all okay. So my conclusion is the A4E and the Bronco are causing the tank engine noises to not be played.